Exploring art in nature's embrace. A journey through the world's most captivating outdoor sculpture parks. In a world filled with stunning landscapes and awe-inspiring architecture, sculpture parks stand out as intriguing havens where craftsmanship takes center stage. These enchanting outdoor sanctuaries not only honor the mastery of sculptors, contemporary sculpture, and sculpture garden settings, but also provide visitors with an immersive experience that spans time and place. Hello everyone, and welcome to a brand new video on the channel. Today we are going to talk about exploring art in nature's embrace, a journey through the world's most captivating outdoor sculpture parks. Before we get started with the video, don't forget to smash the like button, share the video, and subscribe to the channel. Now let's get started. Sculpture parks, with their huge stone statues and elaborate metal structures, display the extraordinary genius of human innovation. The sculpture parks allow us to observe the miracle of sculpture in its most organic form, encouraging us to reflect, stir thought, and elicit emotions. Number 10. The Tarot Garden. If you like the French-American sculptor Niki de Saint-Phalle, you'll enjoy the Tarot Garden. The gardens of Beaumarchais, Parc Güell, and tarot cards all served as inspiration for this 14-acre sculpture park. The park, located in the charming hamlet of Capalbio in Tuscany, first opened to the public in 1998. With 22 works, it is the first significant sculpture garden that a woman built. The site-specific pieces of art, which are adorned with mirrors and ceramics, are constructed of reinforced concrete. Niki's husband, Swiss sculptor Jan Tingley, helped create some of the fountains. Number 9. Sydney and Walda Besthoff Sculpture Garden. The Sydney and Walda Besthoff Sculpture Garden, located in City Park close to the New Orleans Museum of Art, houses more than 90 artworks. What distinguishes this garden is the mature environment of oak and pine trees that surround two ponds. Mississippi Meanders, and Ellen Zimmerman-designed glass bridge will take you across the water. The colored lines depict the Mississippi River's changing course over time. Number 8. Ayia Napa Sculpture Park. Ayia Napa Sculpture Park, which opened in 2014, covers an area of 20,000 square meters. With breathtaking views of Famagista Bay, the park showcases artists from over 50 countries. They all took part in the yearly Sculpture Symposium hosted by Ayia Napa Municipality. The sculpture gardens also include a park with Mediterranean plants, cacti, and succulents. It displays the many cacti and succulents of the island. The artists make their sculptures on site, so you may see some of them working during the autumn and winter months. Admire artworks like Beata Rosta's Exiles and Michael Levchenko's Last Human. Number 7. Kröller-Müller Museum. Kröller-Müller also has Europe's largest sculpture park and the world's second largest Van Gogh collection. There are nearly 160 sculptures throughout the grounds, including pieces by Marta Pan, Aristide Maillol, and Pierre Huyghe. This outdoor sculpture park spans 25 hectares and is open year-round. The grounds feature two 1960s pavilions by Aldo van Eyck and Gerrit Rietveld. Jean Dubuffet's gigantic sculpture, Jardin des Mails, has recently been renovated. Visitors can walk on it from April 1 to November 1, as long as it is not raining, during which time the artwork may be slippery. Number 6. Yorkshire Sculpture Park. The Yorkshire Sculpture Park, surrounded by 500 acres of greenery, houses one of Europe's greatest collections of Henry Moore's bronzes. In addition to the permanent modern and figurative art shows, there are some outstanding special exhibitions, with approximately 80 artworks on display at any given moment. Two works by Barbara Hepworth are now on display: The Human Family in Square with Two Circles. Seeing Henry's sculpture, seated figure, is so realistic that it could be mistaken for a real person from a distance. Litter by Leo Fitzmaurice resembles bunny rabbits from a distance and is a commentary on consumerism. There are now 4 Damien Hirst artworks on show, including the Virgin Mother seen below. This 10-meter-tall statue can be located near Lower Lake. Number 5. Olympic Sculpture Park. Since its inception in 2007, the Olympic Sculpture Park next to the Seattle Art Museum has attracted hundreds of thousands of people per year. This 9-acre-old industrial property is located on the waterfront, near Puget Sound. The sculpture park's artworks include the Eagle by Alexander Calder, shown below, and the Eye Benches by Louise Bourgeois. Another striking sculpture, Echo by John Plenza, depicts a 9-year-old girl's head. The first piece to be put in this outdoor sculpture park was Wake, a 300-ton steel sculpture by Richard Serra. Number 4. Vigeland Park. This Oslo green space, previously known as the Vigeland installation within Frogner Park, has been renamed Vigeland Park. Gustav Vigeland, a Norwegian artist, created 212 sculptures in bronze, iron, and granite. Vigeland created artworks between 1924 and 1943 and dedicated them to the city of Oslo. The art park is free to visit and is open 24 hours a day. Highlights include the Angry Baby figurative sculpture, whose left-hand visitors massage for good luck, and the Monolith, a contemporary sculpture with 121 linked human figures. Number 3. Storm King Art Center. This open-air museum, named for nearby Storm King Mountain, offers a lovely setting in the Hudson Valley. Storm King has over 100 sculptures spread across 500 acres, making it one of the greatest outdoor art collections in the United States. Allow 2 to 3 hours to go around the grounds. Among the highlights are Storm King Wayfield, an earthwork by Maya Lin, Three-Legged Buddha by John Huan, and Storm King Wall by Andy Goldsworthy. Isamu Noguchi's interactive display, Momotaro, will delight children and adults alike. You can sing inside the granite building, which has a unique acoustic resonance. Storm King has one of the most extensive collections of David Smith sculptures in the world. This American abstract expressionist sculptor was the first to fuse metal. He made huge geometric sculptures. There is an open-air cafe, as well as the Storm King Museum building, which contains 9 indoor galleries housed within a French-inspired chateau. Number 2. Hakone Open-Air Museum. The year 1969 marked the opening of Hakone, which was Japan's first open-air museum. Currently, it is home to more than 1,000 pieces of sculpture and art. The picturesque situation is set against the backdrop of Lake Ashinoko and the surrounding mountains. One of the greatest collections of Henry Moore sculptures in the world may be found in the Hakone Open-Air Museum, which spans an area of 70,000 square meters across its whole. A number of well-known sculptors, including Calder, Picasso, and Rodin, have contributed their works to this outdoor museum. We have a number of artworks that are suitable for children, such as Woods of Net, which is a giant hammock for children. Number 1. Frederick Meijer Gardens and Sculpture Park. More than 200 sculptures can be found in this botanical garden and sculpture park located in Grand Rapids Township, Michigan. The park encompasses 158 acres. Within the permanent collection is one of the largest collections of outdoor sculpture that can be found anywhere in the world. Ad Wideway, Louise Bourgeois, August Rodin, and Henry Moore are all notable artists whose works deserve admiration. There is something stunning about the backdrop of plants and flowers from all around the world, regardless of the season. Do not overlook the huge trowel sculpture known as Plantor, which was created by Claes Oldenburg and intended to be displayed in a garden. In addition to his wife, Koos van Bruggen, he is well known for his ability to transform ordinary things into extraordinary works of art. That's the end of the video. I hope you liked it. If you did, let me know by giving it a thumbs up, and do not forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching. See you next time.